Hi, it's Peter Eliades with you again. We're going to do an update. This is June 19th. We're going to do a quick update here to show you another projection that is close to being met, although it shows a little bit further to go in terms of the projection picture. So we're taking a look now. These are closing price projections, and the only difference between intraday and closing price projections is the crossing takes place to determine the halfway point. But in order to get the projection, you use the low close rather than the intraday low. So it's going to provide a projection not quite as high as the intraday one usually, unless of course the low and the low close correspond with each other. Anyway, at the close today, the S&P cash was at 2926.46, and the lower end of this projection range is 2941.27, as you can see right here. The upper end is 2980.25, but we're quite close now to that. This is what is called a nominal 5-week projection, quite close to reaching it. Does it mean we have to go there immediately? No, anything can happen in between. We can get a decline, but until or unless this projection is met, with closing prices entering the window or going back below the offset lines, we look for this projection to be met. That's the closing price projection. Let's look at the corresponding bar chart projection. This one, of course, uses the intraday low of 2728.81. And you can see that it gives a slightly higher projection because it is using the low to determine the projection. And 2956.34 is the low end of the projection. The high end is up here at 3004.17. That's assuming this cross, the highest of all crosses between the two levels of crossing here. So a minimum intraday move up to 2956.34, which means that we still should not be at a top of any significance. That's it, just a short update today. We'll keep an eye on things and get back to you.